This phone has a strange story, because it was sitting on the shelf in its original box since it was purchased, but the owner noticed that the phone was swollen from the back after opening the box, so he came it to our store, and we immediately changed the swollen battery, but after changing the battery, we noticed that the phone was not charging and had no speaker, but when we put the flex under the microscope, I saw where the problem came from, so let's fix it, guys.